Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Firefox and system basics. This is the fastest way to rule out simple causes. Update Firefox now because outdated builds break TLS and DNS handling. Once done, restart your router and your device one at a time. That clears transient IP and cache issues. Next, disable any VPN or proxy in both the browser and the OS because those alter routes and certificates. After each step, try loading a known page to confirm progress. Once the basics are done, target Firefox internals and name resolution. Clear the browser cache and site data. Corrupted cache causes failed loads even when network is fine. Then flush your system DNS cache, and if problems persist, temporarily switch to a public DNS like 1, or 8 to avoid ISP DNS issues. Next, make a new Firefox profile to check for extension or setting corruption. This isolates the browser from your current configuration, revealing whether the issue is profile-specific. Finally, perform advanced diagnostics and a clean fallback. Inspect certificate errors and temporarily disable HTTPS scanning in your antivirus. Such scanning intercepts traffic and breaks secure connections. Use Firefox Safe Mode to run without extensions and open About networking to view sockets and DNS resolution details. If errors persist after these checks, reinstall Firefox cleanly and restore bookmarks from your backup because a fresh install removes hidden corruption. If reinstall doesn't fix it, the one key troubleshooting tip: test another browser or device to confirm a network versus browser problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.